I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers.
What's up, people? So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about my Freeform Loc maintenance and how I maintain my Freeform locks. I know that a lot of people assume if you have Freeform locks that they're nasty, they're dirty, and you don't really take care of your hair or you don't do any type of maintenance, but that is totally not the case. The whole ideal to Freeform is little to no maintenance at all, but I am just going to be showing you guys all the maintenance that I do. Sorry if you guys hear like any noises or anything like that. I am outside and it's pretty fucking cold this morning. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's fucking cold. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get right into the video. So the first thing we're gonna talk about is washing your hair. First thing I do with the lock maintenance is washing my hair. If you don't wash your hair, then obviously you're not going to have clean hair. Washing your hair is very, very important. Even if you don't have like locks, you know, it's common grounds to wash your hair. I mean, that's just common sense. Wash your hair. Now, there are 3 different ways that I wash my hair. 1 is being with water only. 2, sometimes I use the aloe vera plant leaf. I use the gel from the plant. And 3, by using Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile soap, which with that, you must make sure that you dilute it, and you must make sure that you have it all out of your hair. Otherwise, you could potentially run into problems with Dr. Bronner's. But those are the 3 main ways that I like to wash my hair, and I don't do them like, I kind of space out using the Dr. Bronner's. I don't use it too tough, but I do use water only and aloe vera as like my main ways of washing my hair. The next thing we're going to talk about is moisturizing your locks. The next thing is moisturizing. I only moisturize my locks as needed. Like if I feel like they're, you know, totally dry, then I will moisturize them. I don't moisturize them all the time. Like I said, I just moisturize them as needed. And to moisturize my locks, what I do is I just take a spray bottle and put some water and my favorite oil, which is vitamin E oil, in it. Although water and oil don't mix, but I just give it a really good shake and it makes a really nice solution. Now if I go to the store and they're out of vitamin E oil, then I'll look for Jamaican mango lime black castor oil or either unrefined coconut oil. The next thing is scalp stimulation. Thing is scalp stimulation, which kind of ties in with moisturizing. After I moisturize my hair, I do stimulate my scalp, and by stimulating my scalp, what that's going to do is it's going to get the blood flow pumping, and it's also going to promote new growth or promote hair growth. Pretty much to stimulate my scalp, I just take my hands and kind of just massage my scalp, and it feels so freaking good when you do that. Stimulating your scalp plays a huge role. It's definitely very important that you do that. At last, lint inspection. Inspecting your locks for lint. And the very last thing that we're going to talk about is inspecting your locks. I like to inspect my locks for lint as part of my regimen because sometimes here and there I will find like little bits of lint. I'm not sure where they come from because I do not sleep with like cotton and all of that, bed sheets or anything like that. But although I don't wrap my hair before I go to bed, I just let it loose. So yeah, lock inspection is definitely a must-have as part of my lock maintenance. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this and took something from it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave some nice comments down below. If you have any questions, concerns, or anything like that, please let me know. And subscribe to my channel for more. And I will see you babies on the next video. Bye. Mwah. That's coffee, by the way. I had coffee on my tongue because it's very cold today.
I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers.